Today I'm reviewing the Thank You Farmer Rice Pure Essential Toner. And really quick, if you want to help support the channel, check out my newsletter below. I purchase all my products with my own money. Subscribe to the video. Also, Cameraman is working on some shorts on our second channel. So if you are a subscriber of Sarah Speaks, the second channel, there's some random videos on there, some fun things. And we'll be putting shorts on there as well as some other content and things like that. So kind of fun. So subscribe to it or check out my newsletter for sure if you haven't done that before. So today I've got the Thank You Farmer Rice Toner, which Heather, she was telling me to test it out and buy it. And I'm glad she did because I'm really happy with it. Gosh, got it about a little over a month ago. So very happy to have had a chance to try it and test it out and share my thoughts. Okay, so, Thank You Farmer, they say it's a hypoallergenic toner formulated with 100,000 parts per million of skin brightening, barrier strengthening, and highly moisturizing rice extract that not only boosts skin's glow, but also gently rids it of impurities, added infusions of botanical extracts, synergized with its star ingredient for extra soothing and nourishing effects. Okay, 100,000 part per million. I mean, that sounds like a lot, 100,000. But then if you think of a million, well, that would be like 1/10 of a million. Correct? Right? Yeah, something like that. It's a lot. That's my answer. Okay, so first criteria is packaging. We've got a plastic bottle. It's got the expiration date on the bottom, which is awesome. Just a little plastic toner bottle. It's recyclable. Or you can send it in or bring it to your local Sephora to have it recycled, which is awesome. Oh, they've got the little map on here of where it comes from, I think, which is cool. Okay, so in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It also has no fragrance and no real scent to it, so that's always nice for sensitive skin or noses. And it is made in Korea, so I will do a quick pH test because I know people want to know what the pH of it is, even if it doesn't have any actives. Inquiring minds want to know. So, got my little test strips. It's gonna be like when I retire from recording, there'll be like a mountain of just like a little bit of toner. It'll just keep piling up on the floor next to me. Okay, pH of it looks to be, I would say 5 exactly. No issues with that. And it's got kind of a thicker toner texture. It's not like watery, but it's a little bit thicker.
Overhead.
There we go.
Overhead. There you go.
But, so you see, it's not like watery, but it is a little bit thicker, but it's still got kind of a water texture to it. So you can use it, you can pat it on the skin if you prefer. You can use it with a cotton pad. I use it both ways. Just depends what routine I'm using it in. So just use it after cleansing. So you cleanse, and then this would be your next product. Tone it, apply with the cotton pad. If you feel like there's some makeup or things that didn't get fully removed from your cleanser, use it with the cotton pad. If you feel like you got everything, just pat it on. Or you can do both. You can pat it on in layers. Some people do 7 layers of it. You can do that. I don't have the patience for that because in that meantime, I could be applying 7 different products and having a lot of fun playing with everything instead of just one. But whatever works. Some people are less ADD than I am. So, yeah, so no issues at all with that. Feels nice. Once it soaks in, it sets to kind of a natural finish that is just slightly tacky and just slightly shiny, but not terribly so. Okay, in terms of beneficial ingredients in here, so we've got rice extract, which is, they mentioned it, all their benefits from rice: brightening, berry repairing, hydrating. Can also maybe do a nice job brightening the skin up. We've got niacinamide, which is anti-acne and skin brightening ingredient. We've got Centella, great soothing and hydrating and antioxidant ingredient. We've got fig, which is another hydrating and antioxidant ingredient. We've got lotus flower, which is a great hydrating antioxidant extract. We've got Ulmus extract. It's a great photoprotecting and antioxidant ingredient. We've got amaranth seed extract, which is an emollient. Corn flower extract, which I'd never heard of, but I like the corn flower color in the Crayola crayon box. It was my favorite because it was kind of that bluish purple color. So that corn flower is soothing and anti-inflammatory. We've got ceramide, berry repair, and skin identical ingredients, so no issues with that. some nice ingredient lists, but nothing over the top or crazy long or anything like that. In terms of animal testing, this is vegan as well as cruelty-free, so no issues with that. In terms of the performance, it's quite nice. It feels nice on the skin without feeling greasy or heavy or even feeling drying. Some toners can leave your skin feeling kind of on the dry side. I didn't have that problem with this. It's kind of soaked in a little bit now. You can see it's got that natural finish. And this poor scars on this poor hand, they're never going to get better. Yeah, I'm scarred for life. Okay, so for what it promises to keep skin clean and neat by removing impurities. Well, I mean, pretty much anything you use with the cotton pad is going to help do that. But it also moisturizes skin and maintains the oil-water balance in the skin. Moisturizes, brightens, skin barrier fortifying, soothing, and nourishing. I would say it helps with most of those. The brightening, I don't know. When the main brightening ingredient is niacinamide, it's in everything these days. There's probably not going to be a lot of additional brightening from this, as there would if there was something with, other sorcinol or sorbic acid or resveratrol or picnot. There's things like that. So brightening is not going to do too much for that, but it is nourishing. It will help the skin barrier. It will help hydrate, which I like. It's friendly for all skin types, including dry, sensitive, oily, as well as acne prone. For acne prone skin, there's no ingredients of note, so that is awesome for acne prone skin. Okay, in terms of the price, so this is a full size, 200 milliliters, and it's 7 ounces, and it retails for about $27. So it's right on the cusp of being pricey. Overall, though, it will last quite a long time. So with twice daily use, I would assume or expect this will probably last 3 to 4 months. And that's if you use it twice a day. If you use it once a day, obviously it'll last 8 months. But it just depends on, if you use it with a cotton pad, it'll go faster. If you pat it on, you don't need as much. So, I mean, it's on the edge of being very pricey, but it's still affordable when you think about it. It's a large bottle. So, I'm right on the edge of that one. So, okay, last but not least, the It Factor. It's a very nice toner. I'm really enjoying it. I'm very glad I purchased this one. I really look forward to using it, which doesn't happen with a lot of products. I end up feeling, I'm going to use this one again. But I actually look forward to using this. It's kind of fun. I mean, there's not a lot of products where it's like, yes, I'm going to use this. You know what I mean? Certain devices or peels, I get it. But, you know what I mean? For toner, I was getting pretty excited to use it. So, for some dupes or alternatives to this, we've got the Beauty of Joseon and Glow Replenishing Rice Milk, the Dr. Circle Vegan Kombucha Tea Essence, the number 5 Boosting Essential Toner, which in terms of the ingredients it's similar, but every other reason, like texture and things like that, they're not as similar. Or the Tusawang Ceramide Toner, are some alternatives. So, and then I think pretty much all of those are right around the same price, if not more expensive, except for the Beauty of Joseon, which is pretty affordable. So, okay, so with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 10. I really love it. It's very nice. I'll be working on my rice toner verses, because now we've got a whole selection of them here. It's the new popular thing. We'll probably see more of it in 2025 as well. So, yeah. Anyway, interested hearing from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not. And if you have what your thoughts are, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.